Hello and welcome to the College of Pharmacy's Blackboard tutorial. So there are two main ways that you can use this tutorial. First, if you're new to us, welcome, and you can work your way through it. So if you have no idea about Blackboard, that's okay. I'll be around to help. Lots of people are willing to help. You could also use this. So if this is my first day, I've never used Blackboard, I'm going to use this Blackboard Basics button. So when I click on this, it's going to show me 1, 2, 3 video options. When I click on one of these buttons, a video will pop up. You can watch that. We try to keep all of these under 5 minutes, so it's not a lot of time commitment for you. When you're done, you can click this red X, and you'll notice that this one has been checked off. I have finished that video. Now, if you would like to prove how smart you are, you can take this basics quiz. As of right now, the quizzes are 3 questions. We'll try to keep them short. And then at the end, you'll have the option to print off a certificate to show that you have passed the College of Pharmacy's Blackboard Basics course. Okay, so that's one way. Now, if you're an experienced Blackboard user but just want a refresher, you have that option as well. So if you come over here and expand, let's say, gradebook, and all I was interested in was reviewing categories. You can do that. So I'm going to go to Gradebook and then Categories. And here it is. So here's my Categories video. Now the only thing tricky there, when I click on Categories video, that's not going to start the video. You have to use this button still. Okay? So maybe wait for version 2.0 for the exact video link. The last thing I'd like to point out is this Resources tab. So right now, here's the Blackboard handout for you to print if you would like. Please check back often. We'll be posting more and more under that Resources tab. So essentially, you can use the buttons to navigate, and you also have the menu on the left. Thank you so much, and if you have any questions, my name is Ben Stevens. Feel free to email me or stop by anytime. Thank you.